Good morning. This is Sanjeev Chakraborty from Axis Solutions. Today in our stall we are exhibiting Industry 4.0, 5.0, which is the most happening today in the world over, and we are exhibiting some of the new products like the weather station. The weather station is IoT ready. We have along with it the dashboard, and the dashboard is giving all the parameters that we have. And to align along with that, we have the ambient air quality monitoring system. We have the emission monitoring system. We have on the liquid side the effluent quality monitoring system. And very well associated with these products are the process automation. And within the process automation, you can come and look at the IP rated the cable management system. We have the protocol converters. We have the media converters. We have industrial pieces, so the basket of product, and wishing everyone to come and visit us, have a look at it. Thank you so much.